Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mecca. I make primarily loc content, but you know, we're trying to spice it up a bit. Just to jump right in, today is my 2.9 year loc anniversary. So I'm gonna take you guys through a little retie with me and go over some of the things I've been changing. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just go ahead and get right into it. This month, this update has been an interesting one. There's been a lot of impulsive decisions. So I used the Adore dye, as you all saw in my last video. And since then, she's already started fading and she's already started turning green. So that's one of the updates. I highly recommend you follow the color wheel when you are looking to go from bleached colors to something else. I didn't listen to the lady that also had locks and told me it would turn green. So here we are with the green tint. Next update, I also cut some bangs. So your girl's just been wildin' this month, just feeling like I need a change. If you know me personally, you know what's going on in my personal life. This isn't that surprising, but for all of you guys that tune into these videos, yeah, I cut some bangs as well. And actually, I don't know if I film it in this one, but I actually cut them even shorter. So I cut them and then cut them again. The second cut was a mistake, so won't be doing that again. Lesson here, just leave it alone. Leave it alone. I'm at year 3 and I guess I just needed a couple more hurdles to get over because a lot of this just wasn't necessary. What else? Overall though, I'd say my hair is doing really good. I have been just spritzing it every day still with just water. Sometimes I'll dilute it with like a little bit of castor oil, and then I'll castor oil my scalp every so often, but I try not to do that too much. What else? I also have been doing more treatments. So now that my hair is mostly mature, minus some of the locks that I started, you know, to repair, I basically will do like a hair mask every so often. So typically it's just a shampoo and a condition, but lately I've been incorporating this hair mask, which I will link what I actually use in the notes in the description. But I've been using a hair mask and just really focusing on moisture. Again, I have goals. I want long, healthy locks, so I've been doing what I can to cultivate that. I did end up actually combining some locks. So I combined some of the problematic locks at my temples that I've shown you all in other videos. I had one that was just kind of still thinning, wasn't really forming. So I combined 4 locks total into 2. So I think it looks good. I think it looks a lot more strong. And I'm just going to kind of watch and see how those develop. Icks for this month, I am a little over my 2-headed dragons just because they're getting like an awkward length. They look a little extra long, so I'm a little bit over that. Final update, and this relates back to color, but I think what I'm gonna do is, again, stick to all my routines, continuing to condition, oil every so often. I've been playing around with different styles. I'm going to do a couple style videos for you guys. But I think with this color right now, I went ahead actually after this video and I mixed the leftover purple black I had and mixed that in with some reddish. So the original dye I used to get the ginger. And I think that that's going to help the green, but either way, if it starts fading weird again, I'm just going to let it fade as much as possible and then try to actually go ahead and go get it done professionally. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like that, and if you want to see more of me and my big ol' head, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.